Bumper boats. Hey! Hey, it's you again!
Sorry.
You guys are good. Maybe, we'll see. So, it's day 100 of quarantine. We're gonna grab some friends, grab some tubes, go down the Yampa River. Jump. Oh!
No, I think they were in the other one. They're with Martin. Steamboat Springs 2020.
Yes!
Second annual trip. We're floating down the Yampa River and gonna hit Strawberry Hot Springs afterwards. Cheers.
Perfect. We got our people floaties. We got our sea dogs. Sea dogs. Sandra's told us that there's a drop at the end, so that'll be fun.
I don't think we're gonna.
Oh no! No! I got a big fat hole, guys! Really? Oh my God, a big fat hole! Right. Oh no! I don't know what to do! The patch! I need the patch! Joe, we need the patch! You've seen Titanic, right? Where's the patch? Right, I got the patch! We need the patch! Why? No, it's not. It's a huge hole. It's like a nickel. There, I got it. I found the patch. Oh, I didn't find that. Go. Hold on, buddy. Woohoo. Yeah. Oh no. That's refreshing. That was good. That was good.
Very chill. Started out being like, oh, it feels like you're gonna be super slow. And then yeah, it got crazy. They got progressively crazy.
We've lost a few beers. We lost my tube, which is why now I'm riding with Stack and Evan. Yep.
I think my mom made a good call.
Oh yeah, I got this. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Uh-oh, big rock. I'm gonna push off it. I got it. I got it. No. Oh no. Oh boy. Watch out for this one. Don't let go! We're in the rapids now! What happened to you?
Dude, so much happened. I hit a rock, I started laughing, we hit rapids, Michael got in the water trying to get the old one. I haven't breathed in the last 4 minutes.